Press pause and answer the question.
All right, this is a tricky one. The median set of 7 numbers was found. So you have 7 numbers. And then we're going to add 4 more numbers to the set. So we're going to add 3 are going to be lower than the original median, and 1 is going to be greater than the original median. So we're adding 3 on the low end and 1 on the high end. What could be true about the median of the new data set? Roman numeral I, or 1. The new median is less than the original median. Well, that makes sense. If we're adding more numbers on the low end than the high end, it seems like the median might go down. The next one is the new median is the same as the original median. That doesn't seem to make sense. If we're adding 3 numbers on the low end and 1 on the high end, then it really shouldn't seem to be the same. But that's the tricky part. And option 3 is that the new median is greater than the original median. That one seems unlikely, and it is in fact impossible. So the answer is this one. It's 1 and 2. Statements are correct. So the new median is less than the original median. That seems obvious. Or the new median is the same as the original median. That seems a little bit less than obvious, but let me show you with an example. Let's go ahead, and we said we have a set of 7 numbers. So if we have a set and our 7 numbers are 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's say we, interviewed a bunch of people and we asked them how many boyfriends or girlfriends have they had in their lifetime. And those are the numbers, serious relationships. And if we look at that and we start to find the median, we can go ahead and cross out 6 and 2, and we can burn 5 and 3, and we can trash 4 and 3, and we wind up with a median of 3. But because we have these 3 repeated a few times, watch what happens. Now we're going to add 4 new people that we survey. And 3 of them are going to be on the low end. So we'll add a 1, 1, and 1. So those are lower than our median. And 1 of them is going to be on the high end. That person had 7 serious relationships in their life. So now our old median was 3. So let's do it again. We can cross out the 1 and the 7, and cross out the 1 and the 6, and cross out the 1 and the 5. We can cross out the 2 and the 4, and the 3 and the 3, and we wind up with it still being 3. So there's a way to have it where the median doesn't change even if we add more on the low end, and certainly change our mean to something a little bit lower. Tricky, right?